You have a personal assistant in your head writing down everything that you say or think and takes your orders. There's no such a thing as a good or a bad emotion. They're just powerful. In your prefrontal cortex, all emotions are created equally. You don't leave your job. You leave the boss you don't respect or the coworker you can't stand. We have a limiting belief about money that when you make more money, you spend more money, so you always live paycheck to paycheck. Living at a logical level is like this. People get up in the morning, they look at themselves in the mirror and they go, oh, I look so tired. I'm so stressed out. I think I'm getting weak. You can just work smarter and use your brain, the most powerful and complex structure of the universe. The brain doesn't know the difference between anxiety or excitement. How do I monetize that? You're working hard, and these people were working hard at trying to get this truck unstuck until Albert, the leader of our group, comes out of the truck and say, hey, you can't install the cupboards over top of the existing cupboard or the island over top of the existing island. You can't fix a problem in identity or beliefs and value by applying a behavior or an environmental solution. Have you ever had a friend who tells you, I think I'm going to do this, and you're like, dude, I've been telling you to do this for months. So then your personal assistant writes it down. Tired, stressed out, gaining weight, perfect, I got this, I'm going to make that happen. So they ask for my rate. I didn't have a corporate rate, so I go, 250? In 5 minutes, the truck was out. And we had been pushing all directions for an hour and nothing was happening. It took one person to know actually where to push and to organize people. And this is what you do when you work smarter. It happens here.